Hi, it's Bob Mason from FX Empire and welcome to the weekly crypto tech review. This week we're looking at Bitcoin and last week's trailblazer, Cardano's ADA that surged by more than 90%. We'll be looking at the MACDs, the moving averages, the week's support, resistance and pivot levels, and the Fibonacci's. This is a tech analysis for the week ending February the 14th. Looking at Bitcoin against the US dollar and the daily candlesticks, you're going to see Bitcoin avoid the pivot at 37,357 to take a run at the first major resistance level, sitting at 42,380. Going to need to see support from the broader market for Bitcoin to break out from 8th January swing high 41,969. So barring an extended rally on day, expect the swing high and first major resistance level to cap any upside. In the event of an extended rally through the week, should see Bitcoin break through 45,000 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 45,924. A fall through the pivot will bring the first major support level at 33,813 into play. Barring an extended sell-off in the week, Bitcoin should stay clear of the 23.6% fib at 33,008. Looking at the MACD, slight narrowing of the bullish histogram supporting the pullback this morning, but nothing indicative of a bearish week ahead after last week's bullish cross. On the EMAs, we've got the 50 moving away marginally from the 100 and the 200, giving a bullish signal. So keep through the early part of the week, avoid the pivot at 37,357 and break back through to 40,000 levels to bring resistance levels into play. Failure to do that and support levels will be in play. Moving across to Cardano's ADA against the US dollar, bearish start to the week. Gonna need to see Cardano's ADA avoid a fall through the pivot at 0.5689 to take a run at the first major resistance level, saying 0.8087. Gonna need to see support from the broader market for Cardano's ADA to break out from last week's swing high, 0.7151. So barring an extended rally in the week, expect that first major resistance level to cap any upside. In the event of another extended rally, should see Cardano's ADA break through to 1.0 levels before any pullback. Second major resistance level sits at 0.9548. A fall through the pivot would bring the 23.6% fib sitting at 0.5528 into play. Barring an extended sell-off in the week, however, Cardano's ADA should still well clear sub 0.5 level. The 38.2% fib sits at 0.4523 and the first major support level sits at 0.4228 to cushion any downside in the event of a reversal of last week's gains. Looking at the MACD, got a widening of the bullish histograms at the start of the week, supporting further upside in the week ahead. On the EMAs, the 50 is also continuing to pull away from the 100 and the 200, which is a bullish signal. So keep through the early part of the week, avoid the pivot of 0.5689 and break out from last week's swing high 0.7151 to bring resistance levels into play. Failure to do that and you got the fibs and support levels in play.